All right, what's up everyone? So I guess this video is kind of gonna be like an intro to this project. So it's my 2007 350z Nismo. Clearly I bought it as a project, so it needs a lot of love, and I'll kind of go over everything I'm gonna do with it, go over the whole car right now before I start anything. Pretty much the car has been sitting for the past, I think it was like 7-8 years or so. The previous owner, it was his track car only, he didn't really care about it, and it would just sit in storage for years at a time. So I picked it up for a pretty good deal, since I pretty much have to do everything to get it looking where I want it. I think I can safely say this is the world's most clapped Nismo, authentic Nismo 350z. Believe it or not, it's real. I can go over all the stuff to show it's real, but I did get the VIN verified, so it is legit. So I guess for overview, I'll start off on the outside here. So starting with exterior, obviously exterior is all clapped. It got hit right here, got some body work done, but it needs to be redone right there. For whatever reason, he decided to paint these panels here. You can see, but it is the OEM color underneath. So these are the OEM bumpers. Then we have these TSW wheels. No idea why anyone would put these on a Nismo. They came with rays, so pretty much a downgrade if you ask me. So we got the headlights, again OEM, but need to be probably replaced. I'm gonna see if I can save these, but I mean they're pretty clapped. They're pretty yellow and faded, so we'll see if we can possibly bring those back to life. So that's about it for the exterior. Pretty much needs, oh, and it is missing the Nismo side skirt extension piece right here. I don't know where those are. And I think I need these new side skirts. Let me check. I think these are clapped underneath. Yeah, they're like ripped and hanging down. So that sucks. Just one more thing that needs to be replaced. So we need exterior, we need wheels, wrap, tint, and there's a couple door dings here and there, a couple spots that need to be fixed. Like main dent on the outside is this one right here. It's not even horrible, but definitely bothers me. So I think we'll get on to the interior next. All right, so interior, not a whole lot going on. It's got the usual, I mean every 350Z has the clapped door trim pieces, so those will get repainted. The Nismos have red stitching on the doors, kind of cool I guess. Right here we got the Nismo speedometer or tach, whatever you want to call it. And then we also have the Nismo plaque right there. You can see this one's 58. Pretty cool, it still has that. This thing's pretty clapped. It's kind of hard to tell. It's all scratched and has some dings in it. As far as interior, also Nismo comes with the red stitching. I can do a whole video kind of going over Nismo specific things. Oh, also has these racing seats, some Corbos, but they're clapped as well, just like the rest of the car. You can see they're so faded. I might try to like dye these or get that interior paint to fix these. They're not even like black anymore. You can see kind of black, and then whatever this color is now. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can bring these back to life. If not, we'll have to get some new seats. I want to get my hands on some OEM 350Z Nismo seats. They pretty much look the same as the OEM base model seats, but they have a red stripe down them. So that's about it for the interior. You can see just about everything else is base model stuff. I have a ton of parts back there. So that's about everything going on interior. There's a double din, who cares? Also, this whole center console needs to be repainted. And now we'll get, y'all thought the exterior and interior were bad. Now we're gonna get to the worst part here, the motor. All right, prepare yourselves to cringe. There she is. Obviously, does not run at the moment. I'm not sure what's going on with the motor. I actually did buy the car running, and then I had about 500 miles left on it, and it just completely killed itself. So started taking it apart. Couldn't figure out what the deal is. We might do a swap, or I'm gonna end up doing a full rebuild. We'll kind of see how that goes. But I mean, yeah, pretty much can't get much worse than it is right now. Knock on wood. But I believe that's just about everything. Just kind of mostly wanted to do this video to show the car in its current state before I do all the whole rebuild and redo the whole exterior and interior. Pretty much gonna do literally everything on the car. And yeah, so that's just about it. Next video, I think I need to get the motor working, but I also have I got my hands on some OEM wheels, so I think I'm gonna slap those on and get rid of these. Don't hate on me if these are nice, but I don't know, they're not for me. I think the OEM wheels look way better, especially with the Nismos, but I just think these look terrible, so I'm gonna get rid of those. So yeah, that's just about it.